Hello and welcome to Cinema Express. My name is Ram Venkat Shreka. In this episode of Kutti Review, we will be talking about the Telugu film Drishyam 2, which is a remake of the Malayalam film by the same name.
భయపడకు, మీ ముగ్గురికి ఏం జరగదు, జరగనివ్వను.
Drishyam 2 is actor Venkatesh's second remake this year. The first one, Narappa, was obsessed with mimicking the original film Vetrimaran's Asuran frame by frame. Narappa was a faithful remake, perhaps too faithful, but it offered little more than that, except for that problematic choice to avoid addressing caste. Drishyam 2 is what I call a more sincere remake. It respects its source material, but it's not just an imitation. There is an effort to make it work as a standalone film, or in this case, it's a sequel to the 2014 film. Drishyam 2 is far from Narappa, where the attention to detail was painstakingly noticeable, be it the costumes or the music or the edit pattern. However, thankfully, Drishyam 2 doesn't aim for the recreation of the details, but the focus is on the overall mood instead. It helps that Jeetu Joseph, who also directed the original, is once again directing the remake, and he is accompanied by his cinematographer Satish Kurup. Although Anup Rubens is credited as the music composer, Anil Johnson's background score is prominently used. Coming to the story, it's been 6 years since the unfortunate events from the first film have happened, and Ram Babu, played by Venkatesh, and his family are trying hard to move on, but the cruel past seems to be catching up with them. The family that overcame the accusation of the murder of the youth named Varun a few years ago does not have the sympathy of the public anymore. The crime and the tragedy from the first film are now a subject of gossip in the small town, and every member of the family, be it the mother played by Meena or the daughter who's the most affected of all, Anju, they struggle to erase this tragedy from their memory. On the other hand, the parents of the dead, Geeta and Prabhakar, played by Nadia and Naresh, they seek closure. All hell breaks loose when it is revealed that the police department, led by Sampath's character, have been on Ram Babu's family's tail all the while, and new clues that might potentially threaten Ram Babu's shield begin to emerge. So, Drishyam 2 is a more pronounced film. It does few changes, like very few changes in dialogues, and although they make no difference in the larger context, they spell things out a little more. For example, take that first interaction between Ram Babu and Jyoti, where Ram Babu's alcohol consumption, which is later revealed to be a more significant part than what we are initially told, is pressed upon. Even Jyoti's uneasiness and that guilt are more stressed upon here. There is even a scene where she visits a priest who reveals that she has to let go of her guilt in order to find peace. Even a lighter moment where Jyoti jokes around her husband saying Pora is more punctuated. Likewise, there is a scene that places Ram Babu inside the police station, which beautifully underlines this man's dread, that continuous fear. Ram Babu's remorse and guilt that this guy carries are visible in Venkatesh's performance. There is a scene where Prabhakar meets him for the first time, requesting him to tell him about the whereabouts of his son's mortal remains. Ram Babu looks like he is on the verge of breaking down physically. Whereas the same scene in the original is played with more subtlety. You know, such tiny changes which are obviously the resultants of the actor's style give Drishyam 2 its own touch. Now, speaking of the screenplay, it's a packed one that keeps building tension throughout the first half, only to erupt like a volcano in the last act when Ram Babu's smartness comes into the play. And when that happens, once again, it's a scream. The last 30 minutes of the film are a blast. Viewers who have seen the original might find little novelty here, but I can clearly see people who haven't seen it enjoying this one. Does Drishyam 2 overpower the original? Not really. When seen as a standalone Telugu film, it does succeed on all counts. But I do wish that an actor like Venkatesh can do much more than carbon copy remakes. That's it from this week's review of Drishyam 2. The film is playing on Amazon Prime Video. See you next week with another Kutti review. Thank you.